I'm going on vacation. And it's not an art adventure vacation, but I'm definitely going to make it one. I'm bringing a watercolor set, I'm bringing a sketchbook. Actually, you know what? Let me just show you what I'm bringing. Now that we're all packed up and we're ready to go, you're probably wondering, Chris, where are you even going that you want to paint so bad? Right, my phone's been dead pretty much this whole time, and I did a quick little sketch yesterday, about 15 minutes. I brought a mechanical pencil, but it had about this much of lead in it, so I just went straight to the pen. So today I'm going to just kind of go straight to paint, and then maybe put some pen on top of it. We'll see. But yeah, I mean, how gorgeous is this beach? It's insane. Why would I not want to paint here? And maybe fall asleep. I'm pretty tired. About 45 minutes on the beach, and you're gonna probably be like, Chris, why didn't you draw the chairs? But I really didn't want to. I didn't know how. There was a lot, and happy with how it came out though. Found a quiet spot by the beach, and you already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a little sketch, and don't know what I'm gonna paint. I never know what I'm gonna paint. That's nothing new, but here we go. I got an hour left before my shuttle brings me to the airport, and I'm all by myself just chilling on the beach. So I'm going to paint something and kind of focus more. My drawings so far have been like 15, 30-minute sketches. So today I'm hoping I can kind of do a more focused one. Probably can't even hear this because it's so freaking windy right now. But anyway, it's been a really fun trip. I'm super burnt, super toasty. But I'm so happy I was able to spend this time with my friends and be on a beach, paint, chill in the pool. I really love Ohio. You probably can't hear me, or it's probably just wicked muffled. But this is it. This is my trip.